Hey Jacob, are you working on the bike? What are you going to work on first?
That.
What's that called?
What's that?
The wheel.
Oh, yeah. What a cool wheel.
It's a cool wheel. Alright, can you work on the pedals? And can you work on the front wheel?
Oh, what wheel? That's why.
Yeah, can you hammer on that, please? Get the hammer. You need to hammer it. Okay. Now do the back tire. Do the back wheel.
Back wheel. That's one.
Mm-hmm.
That's one.
No, the big one.
A big one. This one.
No, the one in between.
That's one.
Yep. Now spin it. Make sure it spins. Is it spinning?
Oh, one way. This way.
Yeah. How's that work?
Go.
Alright. What are you going to be when you grow up? Are you going to be a bike mechanic?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you give me a thumbs up? Close enough. Super cute, buddy.
That's sweet.
Now you're going to flip it over? Alright, turn it over. That's right. Use your legs. Good job. You're learning. Pull the bike out. All right.
And look how it goes.
You got it. Now sit on the bike and let me see if it works. Need a little help?
Yeah. Let's let it go.
No, go the other way. Okay. Now go. Did it work? Come over and give me a high five. All right. Give me a big smile. Oh, booger face. Give me a smile. Big cheese. Oh, boogers.